Good morning, students. Yesterday we started our chapter number 15, bank reconciliation statement, and we had discussed its meaning and need. Today I am going to discuss with you causes of difference between cash book and passbook. So, see case 1, check sent to bank for collection but not cleared by bank. Suppose there is an example, check received from Ram 10,000 and sent to bank for collection but not cleared by bank or dishonored by bank. In this case, suppose there is a equal balance of cash book and passbook 50,000. Now we have deposited 10,000 check into bank. Balance as per cash book is 60,000, but passbook is showing the same balance, that is 50,000. Means what is the effect of this entry? Cash book balance will increase but passbook balance will remain same. Clear? See, cash book we have recorded 10,000 as we have deposited into the bank from our side, but that check is not cleared by bank and passbook is showing the same balance 50,000. This is one of the reason of difference between cash book and bank statement. Clear? See the next one. Check sent to bank for collection partially cleared. Example, total check received in the month of June 20,000. Out of these 13,000 was cleared till June. Means bank has deposited 13,000 in the month of June. We are preparing reconciliation statement for the month of June, suppose, and in the month of June bank has cleared only 13,000 and 7,000 of the check were cleared in the month of July. So we have to see only for the month of June. In the month of June, previous balance was 50,000. We are assuming that we are having balance of cash 50,000. Now from our side we have deposited 20,000 more check. So balance according to our cash book is 70,000, but bank has cleared only 13,000. 15 plus 13, 63,000. Clear? Cash book will increase by 20,000, but passbook is increased only by 13,000 as bank has cleared only 13,000 rupees check. So what is the difference between cash book and bank statement? Cash book is showing 70,000 and passbook is showing 63,000. Now next reason is check received from a customer and sent to bank but omitted to be recorded in our cash book. We receive a check from a customer and sent to bank for collection but omitted to be recorded in our cash book. For example, check amounting to rupees 8,000 received from X, although sent to bank for collection but omitted to be recorded in the cash book. So cash book is showing same balance 50,000, but we have deposited in the bank statement is showing 58,000. So you can see there is a difference between cash book and bank statement. From your side you have deposited the check in the bank but forgot to enter in the cash book. Cash book balance is same 50,000, but bank balance is increased by 8,000. The total bank balance is now 58,000. So there is a difference between cash book and bank statement. Clear? Next reason is check issued but not yet presented for payment. Means we have issued a check to supplier for making payment, but that check was not presented for payment in the bank. Example, check issued to Ram 5,000, but this check was not presented for payment by Ram in bank. From our side we have issued a check. We have decrease the balance of our cash book by 5,000 as we have issued a check to Ram. So from 50,000 we will deduct 5,000. Our balance is 45,000, but passbook will remain same, that is 50,000, because that check is not presented by Ram in bank for payment. Bank statement is showing the same balance 50,000, but our cash book we have decreased it by 5,000. Cash book balance is 45,000. Now there is a difference between cash book and bank statement. Next is payment made by bank as per the standing instructions of customer. For example, rent of the building 10,000 was paid by bank as per the instruction but not entered in the bank. We have given instruction to bank like auto cut to make payment on our instruction. So bank has automatically paid rent of the building 10,000 as per our standing instruction, but this is not recorded in our cash book. So what would be the effect? Cash book will remain same, but passbook is decreased by 10,000. See, cash book balance is same 50,000, but our passbook is decreased by 10,000, means passbook balance is 40,000. Again, there is a difference between cash book and bank statement. Next is interest charged by bank. Interest debited by bank. Debit side of bank statement is negative side, minus side. Interest on overdraft charged by bank 500 but not entered in the cash book. What is the effect of this entry? Cash book remains same, but passbook will decrease by 500. You can see there is the same balance in the cash book 50,000, but our passbook is decreased by 49,000 by 500, and the remaining balance is 49,500. This is another reason of difference between cash book and bank statement. Next one is check cash directly deposit by a customer into our bank account. Sometimes it happens that a customer directly deposit cash or check in our bank account. So what would be the effect of this transaction? Cash book will remain same, but passbook or bank balance will be increased. Example, check of rupees 2,000 directly deposit by customer into the bank but not entered in the cash book. Cash book will remain same, but the bank balance will be increased by 2,000 as customer has directly deposit in our bank account. So bank balance is 52,000 and our cash balance is 50,000. Reason for difference between cash book and bank statement. Next, interest collected by bank, interest received by bank on our behalf. So when bank is collected interest on customer's behalf, then what would be the effect? Cash book will remain same because there is no information with the businessman, but our passbook shows increase by 5,000. Interest on investment collected by bank 5,000 on behalf of customer. So passbook balance will be increased, means bank will credit this amount and bank balance will be increased by 5,000, total is 55,000, but our cash book remains same. Another reason for difference between cash book and passbook. Clear? Next is amount wrongly credited by bank. Now what is the credit side of bank? Credit side of bank is plus side, increase side. So amount of rupees 3,000 was wrongly credited by bank, means bank has wrongly credited 3,000 in our bank account. Credit side of passbook is plus side. So bank has wrongly credited 3,000 in our bank account. So our passbook balance will be increased by 3,000. Total balance is 53,000. But in our cash book, there is no change. Cash book balance is 50,000. So another reason of difference between cash book and passbook. Cash book balance remains same 50,000, but bank has wrongly entered 3,000 on the credit side of customer's account, means bank has added 3,000 in our account. Next reason of difference is interest charged by bank. Interest wrongly debited by bank, or we can say amount wrongly debited by bank. Now what is the debit side of passbook? Increase or decrease? Decrease side. Debit side of bank or debit side of passbook means decrease in the amount of customer. So what would be the effect of this transaction? Cash book remains same, but passbook decreased by 2,000 and the remaining balance of passbook is 48,000. Bank has wrongly debited, means bank has wrongly deduct 2,000 from our account. Passbook is showing 48,000 and our cash book is showing 50,000. Another reason of difference between cash book and bank statement. So if you are able to judge what is the reason of difference between cash book and passbook, you will easily enter your plus and minus item and question will become very easy for you. So you have to understand these things very carefully, that what are the reasons for difference between cash book and passbook, and after understanding all this you would be able to do plus and minus in your cash bank balance or in your passbook balance. Clear? So today you are going to learn all these things that are the reason for difference between cash book and passbook. Thank you.